5 best Spider-Man games that are not open world. The Spider-Man franchise has been one of the favorite games among the players, as the gameplay comes with various titles and offers unique stories and gameplay mechanics. While open world games are popular, there are several famous titles in the gaming industry. If you're a fan too, then you should try these best Spider-Man games that are not open world that GadInsider has gathered for you. These 5 Spider-Man franchise games are packed with adventures and entertainment without the need for an open world setting. Spider-Man Edge of Time. Spider-Man Edge of Time features a story where 2 Spider-Men from different timelines join forces to stop a disastrous event. The gameplay offers a time travel mechanic and interesting interactions between the 2 Spider-Men, resulting in a fresh experience. Spider-Man Friend or Foe. This lighthearted game features Spider-Man who has to team up with friends and foes to defeat a greater threat. This is a comedy-like tone and action-packed gameplay. Friend or Foe is suitable for all ages. Spider-Man 1995. It's a side-scroller classic in which players can live through some of their favorite moments from the 1994 animated series. Classic villains and simplicity make for a thrilling experience no retro gamer should miss. Spider-Man 2 Enter Electro. This PS1 classic features a linear system of progression with beat-em-up gameplay mechanics. Prepare various enemies to fight. Enter Electro thus tends to be enjoyable for players. Spider-Man Shattered Dimensions. It's the same game, but it has different dimensions, each with a different Spider-Man and special abilities. Shattered Dimensions is full of action-packed missions with fluent combat mechanics, which makes this game feel fresh without needing an open world.